Choosing eco-friendly household products is easier with these tips and tricks.
1. Identify household products you regularly use, such as cleaning supplies, personal care items, and kitchen products.
2. Look for brands that prioritize sustainability, transparency, and environmentally friendly practices.
3. Look for eco-friendly certifications like Energy Star, USDA Organic, or Eco Logo on product labels, which indicate that the product meets certain environmental standards.
4. Read the ingredient list for household products. Choose natural, biodegradable, and non-toxic ingredients to minimize environmental impact.
5. Stay away from products containing harmful chemicals like parabens and chlorine.
6. Choose products with minimal and recyclable packaging. Look for companies committed to reducing packaging waste.
7. Explore refill options like containers, which reduce the need for additional packaging.